In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could fix Meta AI not showing up here on Facebook. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if you do have any questions before we do dive into this, or just throughout the duration of this entire tutorial, ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. So if you do have any questions, ask them and I can help you out further. But if Meta AI is not showing here on Facebook, all you need to go ahead and do first is obviously get into Facebook and then select the little search bar and it should say something like search with Meta AI. If it doesn't, what you need to do is back out, go to this little message icon and it's going to redirect you into Messenger. Go ahead and select Ask Meta AI down in the bottom right corner. And from here, select the little I button up in the top right or the info button and just get to a page that looks like this and just make sure you don't have Meta AI muted. If it's muted, it should look something like this. Simply click on that unmute section to unmute it. Pretty simple. And then from here, go ahead and back out of both Facebook and Facebook Messenger and reopen up Facebook and Meta AI should now be activated. If it is not activated for you though, go ahead and click on this menu section, find the help and support option and go ahead and report the problem. Hit continue to report, hit include, and then of course what you're going to want to do is actually search up messages just like so, and then just type in this chat saying Meta AI is not showing up for me here on Facebook, and Facebook will reply within 1 to 2 business days and tell you exactly what you need to do in order to fix the issue. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Before you do leave this video though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.